Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Skate game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after logging in, you will end up within the store page. From here, click on the search button and now just type in Skate to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button, which will add this game to your library right away. You can then click on Play Game to open up the installer. Then you can choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the Skate game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Skate game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.